In this video, I will teach you how you can transfer your assets from OKX to BitGet. Tara, gawin natin to. What is up? My name is John F. Dong. Probably napapanood nyo sa TikTok, but this time, sasagutin natin yung question from our comments dun sa ating recent video on how we can transfer funds or assets from OKX into our BitGet. Guys, ito yung OKX Exchange, papunta doon sa BitGet Exchange. Iba pa po kasi yung OKX Web3 wallet at yung BitGet wallet. So, to answer that, tara, gawin natin ito. Okay, before we proceed, make sure na meron kayong BitGet account at yung BitGet app. And at the same time, meron din po dapat kayong OKX since ang topic ng video natin is transferring funds from OKX to BitGet. Anyways, unahin muna natin kung saan natin dadalhin or kung saan yung recipient natin, which is yung BitGet. Alright, open natin yung BitGet natin. What you want to do here is to go to Assets, then Add Funds. Now here, pindutin nyo po itong Deposit Crypto. Ayan. Now let's say ang gusto nating i-deposit is USDT. Type natin dito USDT. Yan. So select natin yung USDT. Then you can choose the networks na available dito. Okay, so currently congested yung TON, which is mababa po ang rates ng or gas fees dito, which is why I recommend this. But for this video, since congested, matatagalan po tayo dyan. So ang alternative natin dyan is Arbitrum. Okay, Arbitrum ang pipiliin natin for this video. Now, kokopyahin natin ito, copy. Tapos, punta naman tayo doon sa ating OKX. Okay, open natin yung OKX natin. Now here, what you wanna do is to go to Assets. Then dito, mag-withdraw naman tayo. Select Withdraw Crypto. Then, iselect natin yung ating crypto USDT asset. Since USDT yung pinili natin dun sa ating BitGet. Now, meron tayong selections dito. Pindutin po natin itong exchanges or wallets. Now, ano ba yung pinili natin kaninang network? Arbitrum. So, we'll be selecting Arbitrum. Make sure lang guys na parehas po yung network kasi kapag hindi po magkaparehas, hindi nyo po marireceive yung assets ninyo. Now, this is applicable not just in USDT but to all the crypto assets. Nagkakaiba lang yan sa network at sa itsura nung address nyo. Anyways, yung kinopen natin, ipipaste natin dito. Yan. For the withdrawal amount, ang minimum dito is 0.198. Now, let's say gusto ko magpadala ng 10. Yan, 10 USDT. So, ito yung ating network fee sa ilalim, 0.098. And we will be receiving 9.902. O, di ba? Mababa na yung gas fee. Then, once we're good with his, na kung okay na sa atin yung gas fees, confirm na lahat ng mga information na nailagay natin dito, we just click on Submit. Then yan, confirm it once again. Tapos confirm lang natin. So, passkey, sa akin, Face ID to guys. Yan. And yun, 9.902 USDT on the way. Check natin yung details. Ayan guys, nakita nyo, no? So, submitted na yung ating request. Ito na yung pending. Tapos, hintayin lang natin magtapos itong progress. Tapos, mag-check yung sent. Ibig sabihin, paparating na yan dun sa ating BitGet. And while we're waiting for the transfer to finish, guys, please follow me on TikTok. Dito ako nag-share ng mga videos natin. We make videos on a daily basis. So, nag-share tayo ng videos about crypto, forex, airdrops. Okay, kung mahilig kayo sa airdrops, plus, we also review products, no? Kung mahilig kayo sa mga earphones, ayan, no? Namimigay rin tayo ng ganito dyan sa ating TikTok. So, yun, kung gusto nyo na naman, you can follow me again on TikTok at JFDong. Ayun, nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen na to, at JFDong. Kita-kits tayo sa TikTok and I guess, tapos na yung transfer. Yup, tapos na po. So, 9.902 USDT was sent. Para ma-check natin yan, punta tayo dito sa ating BitGet. Okay, back tayo dito. Back tayo dito. Then yun, 1 deposits received. Check natin to. At yun nga po, 9.902 USDT. And that's how simple you transfer assets from OKX into your BitGet. O diba, ang dali lang? Hopefully, nasagot ng ating video ang katanungan ng ating commenter. Now, if you guys have any questions or requests, feel free to leave it down there in the comments below. And of course, if you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. And guys, i-follow nyo rin po yung ating mga social media sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and sa X. I'll see you guys there. And of course, kung bago lang kayo dito, Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos natin every time na nag-upload tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel.
Uy, nandiyan ka pa pala. Kung gusto mo pa manood ng mga videos natin dito sa ating channel, pwede nyo pong bisitahin yung ating mga playlists. Nandyan po lahat yan, naka-ready na po para po iisang topic lang, hindi po ay maligaw-ligaw dito sa ating YouTube channel. O siya, kita-kits tayo sa mga videos natin and see you soon sa ating mga videos.